Good afternoon, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Children, this is your Unit 4 Atomic Structure. Okay, already have discussed isotopes, isobars, everything over, children. Today we are going to learn elements in their symbol with the atomic number and mass number. Now let's see the elements name, children. Hydrogen, helium, aluminum, oxygen and sodium. So they are giving our 5 elements name, children, and write the symbols. Already you know the symbols, children. Yes. Write the atomic number and mass number. Atomic number means you know protons plus neutron combined to form atomic number. Okay. And here write the symbols. Okay. Hydrogen H. See the atomic number of hydrogen only 1. Proton 1. So neutron, there is no neutron, 0. So mass number in formula means what? Yes, mass number protons plus neutrons. So proton 1, neutron 0. 1 plus 0, 1. This is clear to you, children? Yes. The same manner, similarly the 4 things also same elements. Helium, He. First one capital, following letters, small letter, you know. Atomic number 2. Okay. Here the proton is also 2. Atomic number is a proton, 2. Here also neutron is also how much? 2. So the mass number of this one, proton plus neutron. So 2 plus 2 how much? 4. And aluminum, third one, aluminum, Al. You know, children, aluminum first letter is capital A, L small letter, aluminum. Okay, atomic number is 13, 1 3. Proton also 13. And neutron 14. Okay, here you write the mass number, atomic protons plus neutrons. So 13 plus 14 how much? 27. Next one is oxygen. You know O. Atomic number 8, proton is 8. And neutron how much? 8. So 8 plus 8 how much? 16. And sodium Na, 11 atomic number. And here the proton, the same atomic number is a proton, 11. Neutron is 12 here. So the mass number of sodium is what? Proton plus neutron. So 11 plus 12. How much? 23. This is clear to children. It's very important column, children. Tabular column. Learn the atomic number and mass number thoroughly. This 5 elements, children. Okay. Okay, children. See this activity. Third activity, children. It's very important. Periodic classifications, children. Here you learn all those things, children. Okay. Here they are giving 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, how many elements, children? Here 20 elements given. So you learn all 20 elements, atomic number and mass number. That's very important, children. And first see the hydrogen atom. Okay. You know, children, hydrogen atom atomic number is how much? Here only 1. Okay, children. Now let's clear, children. Yes. So hydrogen atomic number 1. So atomic mass, that means mass number also 1. Already I'll explain, children. So the neutron is 0, the electron also 1. And see the helium atoms, children, atomic number 2 and mass number is 4. Atomic mass or mass number is the same. Okay, next third one is lithium. Okay, atomic number how much? 3. But mass number 7. Okay. And here beryllium. Okay. Atomic number is 4 and mass number is 9. Okay. And here the fifth one is boron. So the atomic number is how much? Children, so atomic number of boron is 5 and mass number is 11. Okay, you know how many protons, children? 5. Neutrons 6. Electrons 5. So totally how many atomic mass, children? 11. So atomic mass is nothing but neutrons plus electrons. Okay, this is clear to you, children? Yes. And next let's see carbon atom. Next let's see carbon atom. You know carbon atomic number how much? 6. And mass number is 12. Okay. And next one is nitrogen. Atomic number 7 and mass number is 14. And see the dots, children. See the shells. Okay. K shell, L shell and M shell. See the first one, children. 2 atoms. And they are revolving around how many atoms? 6. So 2 plus 6 how much? 8. So here atomic number is 8 and mass number is 16. Okay. Oxygen. And next one is fluorine. Okay. Atomic number is 9. And mass number is 19. See the neon, atomic number 10. Mass number is 20. Okay. And next one is what? Sodium. 11. Atomic number is 23. Okay. Magnesium and aluminum. All the atomic number and mass number. Si means silicon. P means phosphorus. Okay. And next one is what? Last. Sulfur. S means sulfur. Cl means chlorine. Okay. Argon. Ar. And potassium K. Calcium Ca. This is clear to you, children. This is the periodic classification table, children. And see the observe the table and given the question answers, children. See the first one, children. I'm used for breathing. Okay. Without me, I can't live. Do you know me? Okay. Write my name. I'm symbol. So you know, children, this is oxygen. So symbol is O. So write the pencil here, children. Oxygen. Symbol is O. Capital O. Second one, it is used in filling the balloons. It is a gas. Identify what is the mass. So filling the balloon is helium. Mass number is 4. And next one, third number, children. Name the element present in banana. What is the atomic number? So banana present in potassium. Okay, Potassium. Atomic number is 19. And the next one is I'm found in crackers. How many protons do you have? Okay, crackers phosphorus. The answer is phosphorus. PHOS. PHOROUS. Phosphorus. And here the number of protons 15. Okay, and the last one is I'm the most valuable element. Okay, find who am I? Can you see my mass number? Okay, this is a valuable element is carbon. 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 And the symbol is C. So the mass number of carbon is 12. This is clear to you, children? Yes. So write neatly. I will give you the answers, children. Okay, children, this is your last topic, children, this lesson. Valency. Children, you know what is valency? So when we shake your hands with others, okay? And you can either shake your hands with one person using one hand, or shake a hand with two persons. You are using two hands. Okay, have more hands. You can shake hands with more person. If the same manner, atoms can either sharing with one electron or two or three, four electrons. Okay, some cannot share any electrons. This is called what? This property is called valency. Okay, this is clear to you, children? Yes. Now let's see the whole electrons. Okay, and for example, you take a water molecule, children. So I'll give you some example water molecules. You know water molecular formula what? H2O. So here the combining property of an atom is called valency. This is your definition of valency, children. Combining property of an atom is called valency. Children, you know measure of how many hydrogen atom combined with other atoms, children. Oxygen can combine two hydrogen, you know H2O. Hydrogen molecule, water molecule H2O. Here hydrogen H2. So two atoms, okay, and create with how much? They create with water molecules. Here the valency of oxygen H2O. So the valency of oxygen is you are telling the neighbor atom. Okay, neighbor atom means what? Hydrogen. So 2 is the valency. This is clear to you, children? Yes. So in the case of chlorine atom, okay, HCl, hydrochloric acid, HCl. You take hydrogen 1 and chlorine also 1. So you are telling what is the valency of hydrogen, children? What is the valence of hydrogen? You are telling the neighboring atom, okay, chlorine 1. Okay, so you are telling the what is the valence of chlorine atom? That is also 1. Did you clear that one, children? Next one is methane. You know the molecular formula for methane, CH4. Okay, here the valency of carbon is how much? 4, because the carbon atom is only 1. But as the valency means the neighbor atom. Okay, neighbor means what? Hydrogen atom. So 4 atoms. So the valency of carbon is 4. And you're telling the valence of hydrogen? Only 1, because carbon atoms only 1. This is clear to you, children. And you take ammonia. What is the valency of ammonia? You know the molecular formula for ammonia, children? NH3. Ammonia means NH3. You know, N means what? Nitrogen. Only 1 atom. And hydrogen, H3. 3 atoms. So you're telling the neighbor atom. What is the valency of N, nitrogen? You're telling how much? 3, because H3, neighboring atom H3. So you're telling 3. Sometimes you're telling what is the valency of hydrogen. Okay, ammonia valency of hydrogen, you're telling only 1 because the nitrogen atom valency is only 1. This is clear to you, children. So this is the definition of correct definition of valency. Valency is defined as the combining capacity of an element. Okay, atoms of different elements combined with either atoms of the form of molecules, children, and valency determine the number of atoms of an element that combine with an atoms or any other types. This is clear to you, children? Yes. And here they given some the divalent and monovalent. Mono means single, only one. The element having the valency only one means monovalent. Example, hydrogen H, sodium, okay, Na. So these are all the monovalent. And you take elements having the valency is 2. Two valency, that is called divalent. Example, oxygen O2, beryllium Be2. Okay. And some elements having the valency is 3, that is called trivalent. And for example, aluminium, nitrogen more than 3. Some elements exhibits more than one valency, that is called ion combined with oxygen atom. Okay. And ferric oxide, you see the ferric oxide, children. So these are all the best examples of other elements, children. And see the equations, children. When the atoms of different elements combine with each other molecules of compounds, they are formed. And they are giving the sodium is how much? 2. Okay, 2 sodium plus chlorine, Cl2. And you are getting the reaction is what? 2 NaCl, sodium chloride. You are getting two number of sodium and 2 number of chlorine. So here the valency of what? Here also sodium of valency is 1 because chlorine valency 1. Okay, valency 1 plus 1. This is clear to you, children. So magnesium also given plus chlorine atoms also combine to form magnesium chloride. Okay, and see this tabulation, children. Yes, elements, symbols, atomic number and mass number plus valency. Already you know. So elements name hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, sodium, calcium. You know the symbols also. Atomic number and mass number also already you have learned in the periodic table, children. So you write the valency. Okay, valency means already you know neighbor atom. Okay, hydrogen H, only 1. So valency also 1. Okay, and carbon at atomic number 6, mass number 12. So the valency of carbon, what is the valency? So you write the neighboring atoms 4. Okay, and calcium, the valence of calcium is 2. Okay, and you write the sodium, that is also 1. Okay, learn this valency thoroughly, children. Okay, complete your assignment, children. Okay, I'll give you the question answers, remaining question answers I'll give you, children. Detailed answers I'll give you, children. And lesson is over, children. This lesson is over. I'll give you the remaining questions. Again, I'll give you the PDF link for 1 marks, children. Okay, complete your assignment, report in this group without fail. Thank you, children. God bless you.